Tokyo, Japan, present day. Tokyo, neon lights, endless movement. A young corporate worker named Rin collapsed at his desk. Not from working too hard, but from something deeper. His phone buzzed. Emails, messages, notifications. His mind fractured into pieces. Across the city, an elderly Zen monk named Master Kaito sat motionless in a temple garden, alert, calm, energized, despite sleeping only 4 hours a night. Rin couldn't understand it. He worked less than his grandfather, lived more comfortably than any human in history, yet felt mentally shattered by noon. Meanwhile, centuries earlier, Miyamoto Musashi fought duels, created art, wrote philosophy, traveled endlessly without distraction, anxiety or mental fatigue. So what changed? Here's what nobody tells you. Your exhaustion doesn't come from doing too much. It comes from paying attention to too many things that don't matter. Chapter 1. The Silent Collapse of Attention. Rin was 24 when he joined the company. Smart, ambitious, disciplined. But within 1 year, something broke. Not his body, his focus. He couldn't read for 5 minutes without checking his phone. Couldn't think without music playing. Couldn't sit still without stimulation. "I feel tired even on days I do nothing," he told his co-worker. She laughed. Welcome to adulthood. That night, Rin visited a quiet temple near his apartment, not for faith, but for silence. Master Kaito noticed him immediately. "You are exhausted," the monk said. Rin nodded. "I don't work that hard," Kaito replied calmly. "Because your mind never finishes a single thought." Chapter 2. The Fragmented Mind. They sat beneath a pine tree. Kaito picked up a mirror and smashed it gently on the ground. "Your attention," he said, pointing to the fragments, "looks like this. Every notification, a fragment. Every open tab, a fragment. Every comparison, a fragment. You are not tired," Kaito continued. "You are mentally shattered." Musashi understood this. He lived before phones, but distractions still existed. Reputation, rivalry, fear, pride. So he did something radical. He removed inputs. No unnecessary conversation, no idle curiosity, no mental wandering. One sword, one path, one moment. That's why his mind never leaked energy. Chapter 3. The Law of Attention Drain. Kaito drew a simple diagram.
1 arrow, powerful.
10 arrows, weak. Attention is energy, he said. Where it scatters, power dies. Modern neuroscience calls this attention residue. Each switch leaves part of your mind behind. You think you're multitasking, but you're actually self-sabotaging. Musashi trained this rule. When striking, strike. When walking, walk. When resting, rest. No overlap, no background noise, no divided mind. Chapter 4. The Test of Stillness. Kaito gave Rin a test. For 7 days, he said. Do one thing at a time. No phone while eating. No music while working. No thinking about tomorrow during today. Day 1 felt unbearable. Day 3 felt uncomfortable. Day 5 felt strange. By day 7, something shifted. Rin noticed silence wasn't empty. It was fuel. His thoughts slowed. His focus deepened. His energy returned. Not from rest, from presence. Chapter 5. Why Musashi was never distracted. Musashi once wrote, "Fixation is weakness. Distraction is fixation. On outcomes, opinions, noise. Musashi entered Mushin, no mind. Action without commentary. Movement without ego. Modern science calls this flow state. Same principle. Different language. When attention unifies, energy multiplies." Chapter 6. The Modern Discipline. Kaito gave Rin 3 rules. 1 screen, 1 task. No input before creation. Silence daily, even briefly. Most people try to gain energy, Kaito said. Warriors prevent leaks. Rin returned to work. Same job, same hours, but different mind. While others burned out by noon, Rin sharpened. Final truth, the hidden cause of burnout. Burnout isn't from effort. It's from fragmentation. You are not overwhelmed. You are overstimulated. Musashi's secret wasn't strength, it was selective attention. And that discipline still works today. Closing identity shift, viral ending. You don't need motivation. You don't need hacks. You need fewer inputs and clearer attention, because energy doesn't come from rest. It comes from focus without division.